let's solve this problem by using trigonometric functions. So now a boy standing on a tower observes a ball on the ground at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. The ball is located 60 meters from the foot of the tower, so this is from B to C is 60 meters. Find the height of the tower. The height is here, let's say, let's denote with the H, let's write with the H. And this is a triangle, right triangle, so we can write the longest side of the triangle is, we know it's the hypotenuse, we denote with the HY. If we are looking here to find the H, we need to use the trigonometric function sine of 30 degrees is equal with the opposite side. The opposite of angle 30 degrees is H divided by the hypotenuse, HY. But in this case it's hard to find it, H or HY, because it's an equation with two unknown. So it's better to try to find the hypotenuse by using the cosine 30 degrees. And cosine 30 degrees is equal with the adjacent is now 60 meters, adjacent is 60, so the distance CD, which is a 60, divided by hypotenuse, HY. And now we want to find the hypotenuse. We have here 60 meter. This is a 60 meter, and we have the hypotenuse. We wanted to find the hypotenuse, and in order for us to find hypotenuse, we multiply whole equation by hypotenuse and we divide by cosine 30 degrees. But for us to find a little bit easy, so we just switch places of the cosine 30 degrees and the hypotenuse, and we can solve this equation easy. So 60 divided by hypotenuse is instead of the hypotenuse we write the cosine 30 degrees. Cosine 30 degrees. And now hypotenuse is equal with, now we just do some calculation here. So 60 is, we write a 60 here, so we don't have to do anything. But cosine is 30 degrees. If we are using a calculator here and we use a 30, but you have to have in a degree the calculator, and we use a cosine is 0.866, is a 0.866, or usual 866, or sometimes is square root of 3 divided by 2. And when we divide everything 60 by divided 0.866, so we are approximating this number because is with a lot of a decimal divided by 0.866, and approximately we get 69.28. We get the value 69.28. So now the hypotenuse here is equal with 69.28 meter. 69.28 meter. So the distance from the ball here to the boy who is observing the ball is 69.28 meter. But we want to find the height of the tower. The height is the distance from point A to B or B to A. So now, to find here now, we have a little bit, we are in a better position. We want to solve this equation for h. And if we want to solve for h, we divide the whole equation by the hypotenuse h by, and this implies that the height h is equal to the hypotenuse times sine of 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Because now this, in this position, to take a shortcut, this h by, we are just switching the position and we are putting in the front here, and that's how we can find a shortcut. But another way, we multiplied by h by times h by with h by can simplify, and h by times sine 30 is h by times sine 30. And now we are substituting the values, numerical values for the given. Instead of h by, we put a 69.28 time sine of 30 degree. What is a sine of 30 degree? Let's go here and let's find out. So sine of 30 degree, but you have to set calculator in degrees. We go in the sine is 0.5, and now it's 0.5. And instead of a sine 30 degree, we plug in a 0.5 times 0.5. Let me take here parenthesis, so we already know this is a multiplication. 0.5, and when we calculate everything, we find the h. And now here we already have 0.5 times 69.28, the hypotenuse, and the result is 34.64. So 34.64. So we found h, 64. So now the h, so it means that the h is equal with 34 equal to 64. So we can write here a little bit better. So we can write the h here is equal with 34.64 meter. And we found the height.